This is a one-owner 2005 Toyota Tacoma double cab, 137,000 miles with unbelievable service records. In amazing condition. By far one of the cleanest Tacomas that we've gotten in. One owner, maintained since new. Bed liner, sliding rear window. Michelin tires are like new. Running boards. Unbelievably clean. Not a door ding on this thing. And the interior is as clean as the exterior. Carfax report. No accidents. AM/FM CD. 137,000 miles. Wow. Power windows, locks, mirrors, cruise. So this is a one-owner 2005 Toyota Tacoma double cab pre-runner in absolutely phenomenal condition.